good morning from Mesa.
Oh, squid!
Look at the size of that thing!
Yes!
So the boat's not cursed anymore. Well, good morning from Mesa. We had an awesome day yesterday getting the boat out. Did some squidding.
We're just gonna have to hold it before you can do it one.
Oh, stop! Stop!
Did a school of squid wasn't so much?
Maybe.
Tiny,
You'll have to tighten your
I
drag.
did a little bit.
No, there's a school of fish. There's a school of fish. Catch one. One.
I think they've been snagged because I just let go and it's fine.
Oh, squid! Squid! Squid!
my
Squid! Oh, squid! Let it
Ink first.
Let it in.
Wait, that's a huge squid! I was wondering, why is my thing so big? Why is my lure so big? It's done. It can't go more than... Stay pits now! I'm gonna get I'm stained. Look,
Move over there, please.
stained. It's squirted on us. It's really bad. Oh, so fun!
Underneath.
Oh, damn. Oh, what if he goes in?
Oh, I'm so happy, Elijah. I mean, I know we didn't get it because
Dude, you were just so scared to grab it.
I didn't want it to ink all in the boat.
Yeah.
I did anyway.
It's better because slow.
But Elijah, what were you saying that they don't squid more than twice or something?
I
It
thought
did like
they did
4 or 5
It took like
times.
5
I
times.
thought it was once, maybe two.
Nah.
Hey, actually,
Oh, here we go.
Squid. So I just hooked another squid. Here he is.
Let
Let
Bring it in, Elijah.
move away.
Move. Bring it in closer.
Bring it
You cannot keep in tension.
Oh, Dad, it's where is it?
Oh, roots, darling.
Put it down. Oh, it's all white. Look at the size of that thing.
Show me my screen.
Oh, it's look at my.
All over my pants.
It went in my mouth. It went up. He's gonna die. It tastes horrible.
Back and we'll soak it and we'll...
Oh, it's gross. It is disgusting. Release that drag. I'm gonna release the drag. You're gonna get something.
Caught a fish.
No. You've got something.
Squid,
You've got something.
Move it. Move in quickly. Stop. No, not quickly.
Is it? No, it's a squid. It's a squid.
Nice.
It's a squid, dude.
Nice. Nice.
Bring it in. Closer. There we go. You got any fruits? Chop.
No, I don't
Chop.
want to.
Go, Dad.
Way to do it?
No,
Alright.
I want to quickly.
Yeah, okay.
Can I pet it?
Thank you for your sacrifice.
Oh, wow, Dad. That has just made me go a bit funny. Get rid of those, thanks. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Yes! It's my
Well done. All 3 of them.
And
Yeah?
we didn't think
All
one
right.
was on. Ruby didn't think one was on.
Put it in their thing, but yeah,
like a weed or something.
This
All right.
squid jig. This is the it, man. That's the squid jig.
Eat that and let's go to the other ones.
That's my squid jig.
That's my squid.
It's my son.
Yes!
Caught some squid. First time we've caught anything in the boat, so the boat's not cursed anymore. Anyway, I thought I'd share with you what I'm doing this morning. So, what I've done, I've made up a bit of a beer batter for the squid, and we're going to do beer battered calamari rings. So, overnight I froze the squid because apparently freezing it for a short period of time, yes, I know it's not directly fresh, but it's about as fresh as it can be. But the freezing helps to tenderize it. I've also put it into a bag with a bit of milk and apparently the milk helps to tenderize it too. So I did the milk, froze it last night, got up this morning, put it in the bag with the milk, not frozen, not freezing the milk. So I'm just going to dredge it in some flour and then in the beer batter. Now the beer batter is 1 can of beer and equal parts of plain and corn flour with about 2 teaspoons of salt. So I'll take the calamari, shake off the moisture, put in the flour, shake off the excess flour into the beer batter, and then into the fry pan. Burner went out. Windy always.
Jeez, that's big. Wow.
3 squid, and we've got like a pile,
It's big.
a
I think
pile on a plate.
Yeah.
And I've made a bit of
huge.
aioli for the side.
Nice.
So, ready to get into a lunch?
Yep.
You gonna give it a try, Oscar?
I made.
Yeah, I reckon.
Don't need salt, I've already salted it.
Oh.
Large, you can have the first go, I reckon.
Alright, maybe grab that one.
Alright. Oh yeah, that's nice and cool.
Yep. You got to bite through it, yep. Good job.
That's amazing.
That's good.
Mm.
Awesome. Caught it
It's
yourself.
like an onion ring, really.
It's kind of like an onion ring with a bit more chew.
I can tell this one's mine because of how wide it was.
Ah, yeah.
Because I definitely caught the biggest
Rubes, you gonna get a go?
Maybe.
Is it good?
Amazing.
Oh, good.
What is the sauce?
That's an aioli, so you can dip the calamari in there.
I've never had it. I'm scared.
No,
It looks
you'll
like
be
an
right.
onion ring.
They look like onion rings.
It's really good.
Did you have one already?
No.
No?
Is that one of the
You like it? Hey! That's good. Oscar, you want one?
No, I'm just trying a little bit.
That's just batter. Do you want an onion?
Better.
It's just batter.
No.
Okay.
What's just better?
What he's got in his mouth?
Hey. I was like,
Never mind, I don't like it.
No. Oh,
for me.
that's alright. Gave it a try. Mummy?
So good.
Make more of the sale.
I don't think it has any taste. Like, it doesn't taste like fish. It doesn't taste like anything in particular.
No.
It's the
It's a very mild
the
taste.
beer batter.
Mm.
For somebody who's not a seafood person, this is delish.
No.
Don't like it? All right.
You gave it a go. Good job.
I even bit and ate that.
Mm.
It looks
That's
like you ate most of the batter. He likes the batter at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, I'm trying. I'm taking this.
That's so good.
In the back.
That's a little lagoon down there, and then that's out to the ocean. It's pretty good.
heading out on the boat again. Fantastic afternoon. The wind pretty much seems to be mornings always at WA, and then it seems to drop off in the afternoon, so your best chance to get out on the boat seems to be in the afternoon. So we're going to go out, try and catch some more squid. Ate all of our catch this morning for lunch, so go and get some more. Hey, what, Lige?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the biggest one again.
He got the huge one last night, so we'll have a look.
Yeah. Nothing to do with it.
We have to read. Come back. Extra.
Did anyone notice if it was weeing? Then
Yeah.
When we were going,
yeah,
I didn't notice it.
Yeah, I did.
you did. You saw it shooting water.
Definitely.
We're shooting water fly. It was like,
Because if it's not shooting water,
see? Against
not we.
I did notice that it should have been weeing even though we're not in here.
Because it is not weak. That's a worry.
If a couple of fish might catch one. That's a new problem now.
Okay?
That's a new problem now.
That's a water pump.
That?
What?
That was me. John.
Oh. Well, at least we got a bit of momentum.
Yeah.
So now we're still drifting that way. The waves are turning against us, so we're going to stop soon, and that's soon as Do you want me to try? Hold on. I look like you're getting a bit tired. Oh, the
No, I'm not letting you.
Do you want to ride?
Yeah, there's the paddles there.
Try
Oh,
it.
no, we'll go round today. You're fine.
There. Then push that way.
A little while later.
All of them. Yes. Water.
Another day, another boat issue. Looks like the water pump has stopped working in the boat. So I got the fuel pump working. Now it looks like the water pump's broken, so out she comes.
Just feels like it's not meant to happen for us. It's so crazy how, I don't know, just like every time we turn around, there's an issue with something. It's not the truck, it's the boat. If it's not the boat, it's something else. And
Anyway, never ending.
Oh well, it's all part of the adventure.
Pack it up, fix it,
Yeah.
get going again. Okay, got back to camp. I have started to pull the motor apart. I pulled the lower unit off. That's the lower unit there. And lo and behold, the impellers lost a few teeth. And it was clogged up inside the housing. So I've pulled that apart, given it a clean, and now the investigation starts to see where can I get one in the next 24 hours so I can get out on the boat, because the weather's so good. It's so good, we've been waiting for this. We don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out. Anyway, let's wait and see. All of that just conversation.
Why?
That would have been funny.
Would it? Okay.
It would.
All right. Oh, my
Stop playing with
goodness.
your hair, Amy.
Oh no, washed it. Well, I got to wash my hair. I didn't get it on camera, but it was an interesting.
Didn't use 100 litres of water.
It was an interesting affair. So I was looking for a way to save water, but also wash my hair when we're off grid because last time I did it, I used 100 litres of water. So I've got really thick, really long hair. Well, really thick hair and lots of it.
Excuses.
Anyway, and yeah, so even like with turning the shower on and off in between stuff, I still used a third of our water. So I went, there has to be a better way. So I washed my hair in a bucket and just pretended like I was in a bath. And it worked. And you know what? It's actually not a bad hair wash. It's actually come out nicer and cleaner than some of the places I've used a shower. So like a shower in a caravan park or something. So I'm pretty happy with that. Anyway, just popping on because we are moving sites today. We are leaving Mesa, so we're actually leaving the Ningaloo Coast, the Ningaloo coastline, and we are heading down to the Coral coastline.
Do not eat red candy. It's from crushed bugs.
Okay, thank you, baby.
It's real.
Okay, thank you for that public service announcement. Yeah, so then we're heading down to Quabba and all that, and we'll do all that sort of stuff next week. So, pack up day. It's a zoo as always. We really struggle to get out of places by 10 because we don't get up early, and I don't know. I like getting in at 11. I don't like getting out at 10. Anyway, just quickly show you some Mesa. Oh,
Can I show you?
Hang on. We also were watching the sunset last night.
I didn't.
No, you were playing with friends that you met. He meets friends everywhere he goes. So we're watching the sunset on the dunes at Mesa last night. So we're like, oh, this is our last Ningaloo sunset. We better go and watch it. And we thought we saw whales breaching and blowing. So we grabbed the drone. Check this out.